Again, welcome to next video of this series. So as I told you, we will cover all parts of Windows 8, Windows Server 2008 R2. So keep watching this video one by one, so you will learn many more things in this video. And after watching this video, do not forget to like this video if you like it really, and if you wanted to give some comments, please give. If any queries, any questions, anything you wanted to ask in the comments, you can ask it. Otherwise, you can visit www.cmsouth.com. Okay, so no need to give any introduction of myself. You already know me, right? Because you already seen I think 4 videos, right? This is the 5th video. We are going to explain that Active Directory user and computers. I hope you understand all these groups. Once we create the domain controller, this is the default things will come. So we can create the user. If you wanted to create new user, you can right click over here and new, go to the new, and it will create the sub menu and the create users. Okay, so once the screen will come, type your name. I just type create my one user, that name is Anil, and logon name you can give any other name also. I'm the same typing Anil and next. Okay, and I'm just password typing. Okay, so do not share your password to this, because it's a very critical, very crucial things. If you know someone your password, then you know that the many hackers are there, many things, many people are there, they can hack you, you will get the problem. So I just click over user must change password. Next, I don't want this option, so I just click both of the user cannot change password, user never expire, password never expire. Okay, the next, finish. So the user or the new user has been created, name is Anil. Okay, and second thing, if you wanted to create whatever the computers on your environment, on your domain, which is workstation computers, you have joined in the cmsouth.com domain, that all the computers will come this group. Okay, no, don't worry, I'm just create one computer over also, that is PC1. Okay, okay, right? See, PC1 computer also there. Another computer I need to create, that is what test PC. Okay, so two computers has been created also. Okay, so we will discuss this thing, why this snapping is very important to manage all these things. To be frank guys, Active Directory user and computers is the snapping which you can manage all the objects of your forest, all the objects of your domains. From here you can manage, one administrator can manage, one enterprises admin can manage. From here, if you click over here, change domain, if you wanted to change your domain, from here you can change. You can browse your domain on your forest and you can do it. Okay, just cancel it. If you want to change domain controller also, you can change the domain control. This domain controller, any website, any returnable domain controller, what are the domain control will be there, it will show. If some domain controllers is there, that is the RODs, which is not returnable, right? You cannot modify, that won't be come over here, the domain control ADLS instance. So this also you can change the domain control also from here, right? But I don't want to change this thing. And one more thing, save queries. What exactly mean by the save? Because some people are confusing about the queries of Active Directory and user of computer and snapping. So I will tell you simple thing, just try to understand this thing, it will help you out to to filter all these thing. What you want to filter? If your boss, you are the administrator of your enterprise, administrator or system administrator of your organization, and your boss asks to, I just there are the so many operating system like Windows XP is there, Windows 7 is there, Windows 8 is there, right? If and the computer name also different. What are the Windows simple, I'm giving example. Windows 7 computer name is PC, it should be start PC 1 2 3 4 5 6, and Windows 8 TCPC1, TCPC, TCPC1, TCPC2, TC. So this is the Windows 8 and this is the Windows. For example, take right. If your boss wanted to know, so how many Windows 7 PCs are there, right? We should do the smart work. How? We cannot go the place where the workstation are there and count one by one. This is the very difficult task because it's a big organization. There are 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 20 floors are there. You cannot count it, right? It's difficult to count, right? So how you can do it? Simple thing, just create the queries. Just right click over the queries, new query. Okay, in this name I'm just give the Windows 7 bin 7. Its name is bin 7. I just given. Okay, and from here define query. What is the I need the computers. My boss says Windows 7. How many Windows 7 workstations are there? I need to know. So start with, I just type here PC because my Windows and PC will start PC1, PC2, PC3, right? Start with PC1, right? Okay, okay, okay. See, if you look at this, I have the one PC only, right? Windows 7. If you go to the computers, we have PC. Starting with PC, it's one PC there. So I just created this one and it will come, right? So just a second guys, for a minute while. Okay, so see, I just create one code that name is Windows 7, right? So whatever the Windows 7 workstation are there on this domain, so it will come over here. So it is easy to count, right? No need to go there. Within one fraction of minute, fraction of second, you can do it, right? So this is the very smart work we can create. Same thing, you can create query for many more things, like I'm just create query for folder, new queries, like queries over here. Okay, define queries. From here you can create the, for user you can create the queries, start or in with, is exactly, is not, values you can put, anything you can, what are the values you wanted to, you can do it. For the computers also, for the groups also you can do it, right? Just cancel it, and all task, what are the import query defines what are the query you have created, you can import. Okay, from here also, like see, it will come an XML file. Whatever the query is there, you can define over here, you can export it, so it will come an XML file, right? So I think you people understand the queries, right? You can export the how many users are there, to define with start name or in name, so you can do it, right? And computers also, domain controllers, anything on your this in this domain, in this snapping, if you wanted to filter, you can filter by defining the queries. Okay, I think you understand for the queries also, right? So we will pause the video, we will stop the video, again we will come back next part.